Going for a quick, easy and simple chicken chorizo pasta today. 4 meals, probably going to take 15 minutes, no longer, is my guess. Let's go and check the time actually, see how long it takes. So that is 25 to 1 in the afternoon. Let's see how long. Filming time, so this is everything you need. So you need chicken breast, I've got a full pat. I'm going to use 600 grams. I've got diced chorizo, 1 red onion, 1 red pepper, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, some pasta, salt, black pepper and some garlic powder or some garlic granules. That is everything you're going to need for this. First things first, I am going to chop up this veg. The pasta I have weighed out. I'm using like 65 grams per serving. If you're an AMF client, just check the meal plan and it will tell you how much. And that is dry weight. Also, the kettle is boiling to put the pasta on first. Why do that first? Because it takes absolutely nothing. You just put it on and forget about it, and then you can get on with the rest of the meal instead of leaving it till later on. So I'm going to chop up this veg first. And that's the kettle just coming to the boil just now, and the pasta I will then cook for like 10 minutes. But once this veg is all chopped up, essentially that's how you chop a pepper and some onion. If you didn't know, just chop it into thin small slices, if I can speak right, and that is the kettle boil. So we're going to stick the pasta on just now as well. So I've got the pan at very hot, the chicken is heated up, if I can find some spray. Sorry, the chicken is cut up, just going to give the pan a spray, and in goes the chicken. This will probably need it around 5 to 7 minutes. I will throw in the chorizo as well. That is 130 grams total of chorizo. I've just got a wee handy packet pre-diced in case you're looking for a reference. Then I'm going to add some seasonings, garlic, salt, and get some pepper in there as well. And I am going to throw the chorizo in here also. And this should take around 5 to 7 minutes total. And then I'm going to throw in some veg also, and stir it in just a couple of minutes, along with the chopped tomatoes, etc. So give this an initial 5 minutes to see how it goes, then we'll take it from there. Chicken is cooking up okay, so I'm just going to add in some veg now, give this another few minutes. And we're also going to add, I think I'm just going to add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes and see how it goes. That may be enough. I will give that a simmer for a few minutes and see how it comes out, and if I need to add a second one I will, but I've got a feeling 1 might just be enough. I'm just going to stir this all through, give it a couple of minutes to simmer, and then we'll see where it goes. So that is all done. Now I am going to tub these into separate tubs if the scale was 0. Purely because I can eat from the house, and it's better I find it better to do that than have it in the same meal. Is this white pasta also? Yes it is. If you want white pasta, have white pasta. It's not going to make a massive difference. And as I said, I'm going to tub these up separately, but if you're prepping, just put them into the same tub and it should be good to go. I just find it easier to pull them out separately, and it takes up less space in the fridge if I do it this way. And I have the luxury of just being able to pull them out as and when I need them. So I just have that, and each time it weighs in at 11.15 there. So I will just do over like 250, over 250 grams, just slightly over. Should be leaving like 800. Yeah, that's fine. And that's roughly a portion size. And that is my chicken chorizo pasta. It is just before 1 o'clock there, I forgot to show you that. So it did take around 20 minutes. but I also made some smoothies during that time as well, and that was start to finish for 4 meals, so essentially working out 5 minutes each meal. Not a long time. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. There'll be a couple off to the side as well. The recipe playlist and my previous meal prep. Go and watch those if you're short on meal ideas. Also, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to like this video. Comment below what recipe you'd like to see me try next. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next one.